What's happening, YouTubers? I'm in the midst of experimenting with a few different axle-back exhaust pipes, mufflers for my 2007 Mustang GT convertible. So I've scored a few sets here. These are just the single pipes, but I've got the other side in the garage. But just for display purposes, I'm going to show you some differences here before I put any of these on and test them and that sort of thing. Starting on your left, you see a stock GT500 muffler, and it weighs 17 pounds, just one of them. So that means the pair weighs 34 pounds. Okay, next in line is an MBRP race muffler. Single weighs 13 pounds, so that means the set weighs 26 pounds. And then the JBA, 12 pounds for the single, so 24 pounds for the pair. Quite a difference there. You're talking 34 pounds for the GT500 stock muffler versus 24 pounds for the JBA set. Quite a difference there in just weight alone. Some things that I noticed with the JBA, I kind of like the way it is manufactured here. It's a nice weld as far as how the pipe goes in. With the MBRP, it is not welded, which is why I've already put in some putty, some exhaust putty. It is only pressed in to the can itself, which means there could be a chance of an exhaust leak. So I got some those Permatex muffler putty, sealed that up. Same thing on the front too. You know, it's welded on the JBA. Welded shut right there. The MBRP is only pressed together. So I'm not a big fan of that. That's why I put on some Permatex muffler putty. And of course the stock GT500. I mean, I'm sure it's well made and all, but goodness, is it heavy. Holy crap. So anyway, we're going to test all three of these versus the stock set that's already on the car, of course. I have not weighed the stock muffler. I'll do that in a few minutes. But I'm going to do some videos of each of them running, each of them at idle, each of them revving, and each of them driving down the road. I'll do it with the top up. That way there's no external sounds that could skew the noise of the exhaust, so to speak. But anyway, stock GT500, MBRP, JBA. We'll do a rather thorough test on all those and be back in a few minutes.